Yeah, so this is the Helicoil kit I've bought to fix up the stripped sump plug hole in my Vstrom 1000cc 2014. It's a M14 by 1.25. That's the size that it requires. It consists of the drill bit, the tap to create the new thread, which is a bit oversized, and then these are the helicoils that screw in, and this is what you screw them in with. There's a little tang that has to come off, but this drill bit at 14mm didn't fit in a standard size chuck, and I actually went to Bunnings and tried to see what solutions they could come up with. It's actually 14.3 because it's slightly oversized, so I could get a 14mm but not a 14.3. So my only solution was, and there was no bigger chuck, so my only solution was to grind down the end of the drill bit and use a file as well to try and make sure it's as round as possible so that it still goes in straight and goes round straight, which it does. So I had to lie the bike much flatter so that the drill can get into the hole at a square angle. So I put blocks under the tyres, and I've got a big block of wood under the frame. It's all fine. Now I've done a little test run by drilling a hole into a block of wood and screwing in one of the helicoils into it, and so these are the helicoils. I've cut about 3 circles off to make it the right depth, and I'm going to put this screwdriver in and see how deep. So I can only go that deep before I hit something, so I'm going to put a little mark on the drill bit so I don't go any deeper than I have to. So I basically drill the hole out with the drill, I tap it with this tap, and then you screw the helicoil in. But the helicoil is a little bit bigger than the hole, so it kind of tightens up as it goes in, and it's got this little tang that you have to pull off, and if you push hard on it as you're screwing it in, you'll break it off too soon and you'll be stuck with it half in, half out. Anyway, let's give it a go. I'm going to put some grease on the drill bit to catch any filings that come off as I'm drilling. That's the idea. Anyway, let's hope that works. And if I stuff it up, it goes to the shop, and a mechanic can hopefully do a better job than me. I'm going to go really slow. I'm going to do a bit and then back it off, and then do a bit more, back it off, do a bit more. Okay, now I will load a bit more grease on there. Okay, more grease. Okay, get it nice and straight. Oh. Okay, I can see I've just got, I can feel, in fact, I've just got a tiny bit further to go. Tiny bit further, and obviously this is the bit now where I've got to be extra careful with filings. All right, lucky last bit, I'd say. Am I straight? I hope so. I think I will definitely need to flush. Next step is to tap the hole Now there's a reason why proper taps and die have a two handle. I think it would be easier. Now getting the start right is important. There's something I haven't done that I need to, which is actually put grease on this tap as well. So I'll just go a little bit further. Oh, I hope it does go in straight. No, better not cross thread this as I put it back in. Okay, I can feel it cutting. I've cleaned the tap off, the grease, took the filings off it, and I've got the last third to go. Put more grease on it. So here we go. Okay. I can see that's gone all the way. This is the Helicoil, and right now it's kind of too big on the Sump bolt. But what it kind of squishes in as it goes in, and it comes with this special tool, and there's this tang, this kind of piece here, and I will have to kind of break that off. It's got a little bit which makes it easy to break off once it's in, but once this is in and squashed in, it's kind of locked in, so I've got to be careful get this into the thread and not break the tang. Ah, there we go. I can feel it now. Okay, so I'm not pushing hard because that'll break the tang off. Okay, feel it there. It's like jumped to... There we go. Sump bolt goes in. Oh, it's worked. Thank God for that. Now, I will not strip that again. So now I have to break the tang off. And I've got a pair of narrow nose pliers. I think these are narrower. I'm going to use these ones. Yeah. Okay. There it is, got it, just pulled it down. In goes a litre of diesel. I'm not going to start the engine, I'm just going to, hopefully this will go to the bottom and just come straight out the sump plug and bring any filings with it. There we go. Now, believe it or not, I'm actually going to put the old engine oil back in because it's actually not that old. I've had it about a month, and I figure I'll change it soon and put fresh engine oil as an extra little clean. Okay, let's try it out. Off for a Sunday ride. That's lucky it starts anyway.